Good morning from the Yorkshire Dales. It's another glorious morning in God's own county. There's a little bit of sun, but it's mainly cloud. Quite windy as well today. We'll be up on tops. So today I'm just going to do Whernside and Ingleborough back to the station in for a couple of pints of Riverlead bitter. Morning. So we've got a traffic jam. Well, what a difference an hour makes. Look what I'm walking into. All that over there 2 minutes ago were all bathed in sunlight. I bet you can't hear me now. It'll be time for fleece to go on shortly. There's one thing, I'm not hanging about on Summit. See there. Here we are. Summit of Whernside, if you can hear me. Not much to see, unfortunately. Whoa, I took wind for 5 minutes. I've got Ingleborough to go yet, but if it doesn't start clearing up by the time I get to the bottom, I'll just bin it. I'll go back to the pub, I'll have a quick pint and then head off home early. So I'll do a bit of footage later. I'm putting it away for the time being. There's no way of getting any footage up here anyway, so I'll even put my big kite on. Right, I'll speak to you later. See you there. Hello again. Finally got out of that wind and clag. I've just been speaking to a few groups that are going up. They've been up Ingleborough and it's just as gruesome up on Ingleborough, so I think my mind's been made up for me. Although it looks pretty nice and clear at this level. There's Ingleborough up in clouds. And it looks quite nice down in the valleys, but sod it, I'm off for a pint. Get home early, have an hour in bed, and then I'm going to watch Castleford and Wakefield tonight. Should be a good game. So I'll speak to you at the end of the walk. See you there.